Welcome back, guys. Today is yet another drink, and today we are looking at a Clara con lemon. Its Spanish name. It's a Spanish drink, so that's the Spanish name. But we would usually just call it a lemon beer. And as I said, this is a drink that originates from Spain, and we have had that before. And that is again a 2-ingredient drink, and this time it is Spanish beer and it is lemonade. And I have made this a few times actually by now because I really like the drink. It's super fresh. I usually don't like beer, so it's kind of a revelation to me that I can actually drink a beer and really enjoy it. But this one really does it for me. I was thinking about making the original Clara con lemon with a Spanish beer, but I just couldn't get any here in Denmark. And also Denmark is kind of famous for our beer, so I thought it would be weird to bring in a Spanish beer to make this when we have good beer where I come from. So I made it with a normal beer instead of Spanish beer, but that's kind of the only difference that I made in the drink from the recipe you will get. So you can make it either just as a lemon beer or as a Clara con lemon. The only real difference is where the beer comes from, I guess. And it seemed really weird to me to mix lemonade and beer, but somehow it ended up being really, really great. And I have made this so many times, I'm going to make it so many times, and I would like to show you how you can make it too. And it is super easy, as I said, only 2 ingredients, so let me show you immediately. It takes just about 5 minutes to make, well, 1 to 2 glasses, I would say. I use 3.5 deciliters. Spanish beer is the normal recipe, but you can use any beer if you can get a Spanish one. And then I use 3.5 deciliters of lemonade to even out the beer. If you put it in a Coke glass, it is really, really nice, fresh, summery, but you can also just put it in any glass you have really, and then enjoy it. It is so super easy. You really just have to pour in 2 things in your drink, and you can kind of customize it if you want more beer or if you want more lemonade. It's really up to you. So it's super, super easy, and it's just so refreshing, so really just so good. I've made it so many times. I'm going to make many, many more. I actually think I have enough to make one. So I just felt inspired. I might make a new one as soon as I go away from here, as soon as I'm done filming. I think I might make another one. That's how much I like it. And as I said before, I don't like beer, so that's really impressive actually, that I can elevate a normal beer to be something really delicious. So I am really happy with this recipe, and I hope you will be too. If you've tried this before, I would love to know if you have any other good ideas on drinks we could look at, drinks we can do, then I would love to do them. You can just leave me a comment down below and I would love to chat. You can also choose to give a thumbs up, like this video, whatever you're doing here. If you like the video, you can subscribe if you want to stay for more content, or choose to ring the bell if you want to get notified whenever I upload something. And I just hope you all have a happy life, one day at a time.